Hello everyone, welcome to Tom's Trains and Things. Today I'm going to tell you about a new feature that YouTube allowed my channel to have, and that is memberships. What is memberships, you ask? You'll see a little join button on the bottom of the video and live chats and on my channel. So all you have to do is click on that join button to become a member. Once you sign up, you'll get perks. You'll get buttons next to your name and also emojis. Haven't figured out how to do the emojis yet, but once I do that, you'll have them too. And right now the buttons are the default buttons. So I got to come up with some better looking buttons than that. So we'll be having that pretty soon. But in the meantime, what does that mean to become a member of Tom's Trains and Things by hitting that join button? Well, let me tell you. You'll have those buttons and emojis next to your name whenever you comment in the videos and in the live chats. And also you'll have special perks that I'll be changing so you won't get bored with the perks from month to month. So go ahead and hit that join button so you can become a member of Tom's Trains and Things and have them buttons on next to your name. And also whenever in live chat, I'll give you preferential treatment on questions that you have. So go ahead and join and become a member of Tom's Trains and Things so we could grow our model railroad together. So thank you.